For your information, I was best senator, Federal Republic of Nigeria, 2016, 2017, 2018. Uncontested. And today, by the grace of God, I have the highest number of motions and bills in the history of the National Assembly put together since inception. And I had 219 projects that I did not appoint contractors or take. Today, publicly, I'm saying it for the first time. I'm the only member of the National Assembly who refunded money back to the coffers of the federal government. I paid money to the Accountant General of the Federation, and a treasury receipt was issued for monies paid to me against what was recommended by the fiscal revenue mobilization of this country. And that is why I can sit and criticize Mr. President and go back to my house and sleep. I have never done government contract, whether at federal or state level, and that is why, in an unjust society, silence is a crime. Myself and Kazari were in government, and I know when we're in government, we did our bits. And the advice is, don't just sit in your chambers. Join us so that together we can build a better Nigeria. So that we will have more good people in politics instead of having a larger percentage of never-do-wells in politics.
Thank you very much.
And because of speaking out the truth to power and fighting for the masses of this country, I was suspended for 11 months from the House of Reps. And I want to use the opportunity to publicly thank Femi Falana, who went to court to restore my membership of the National Assembly.
Thank you.
Having said that, the question on gender, I support you, Amina Otegbae. We cannot do anything in this country without women. And the truth of the matter is that we are supposed to appeal to those representing us in the National Assembly. Anytime the issue of gender comes up, it is voted out. Our northern women here, Kazaure already said you have control of your men. Go and control your men. Whenever the issue of gender comes up, let them vote for gender equality. Let them go vote for gender freedom. That is the way